we have the integral of the natural log of x from 1 over e to 1. Now the first step is to recognize that this is an integration by parts problem. It's actually 1 times the natural log of x. So what we'll do first is we'll let u equal ln x. The derivative of u in this case will be 1 over x. We'll let dv equal 1, and then the integral of dv in this case becoming v is just x. With integration by parts, we'll go across first and then we'll go down over. So we'll start off by saying x ln x, and this is evaluated from 1 over e to 1, minus the integral evaluated also from 1 over e to 1 of x over x, which is just 1 dx. Now of course the integral of 1 with respect to x is just x. So what we can do is rewrite this all as x ln x minus x, all evaluated from 1 over e to 1. And so we can start this by evaluating. Starting at 1, we can say 1 ln 1 minus 1 minus, in parentheses now, 1 over e ln of 1 over e minus 1 over e. And the first thing to recognize is that ln of 1 is just 0. So what we actually have is negative 1 minus 1 over e times ln 1 over e. And then this minus will carry on over here to have plus 1 over e. But it's also important to recognize that this ln 1 over e is actually ln of e to the negative 1. And what that means is that this exponent comes from the front here. So it's actually negative ln of e. And ln of e is actually just 1. So this is actually just negative 1. But it's negative 1 times negative 1 over e. So what this really all works out to being is negative 1 minus negative 1 times 1 over e, which is plus 1 over e, plus another 1 over e. And so what we actually are left with here is 2 over e minus 1. And that is the final solution to the definite integral ln of x from 1 over e to 1. If you have any other questions, or if you've got any calculus problems you want me to work through, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you found this helpful.